Hello, my dear patients. This is Hannah, and today I have a new exercise for you, and it's called the boat. Open your mouth as if you wanted to breathe on a car window in winter. Breathe out the warm and moist air through your mouth. Now imagine your exhalation flowing calmly and peacefully like a stream or a river on a beautiful sunny day. And then you put your voice like a little boat in the stream, and you're voicing an O sound. You let the boat drift a bit. How does your boat look like? Is it a paper boat? Or one half of a walnut shell? How soft can you place your little boat? How much is really needed? See? It doesn't take much at all.